Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this subject automobile engineering we are going to discuss unit number 2 axles, wheels, tires and steering system. Now let us go through the content of today's lecture. Now in today's video we will discuss the tires, which are an integral component of an automobile. Again, function of tire, construction of tire and tire terminology. Now what is a tire? So tire is basically, it is a cushion provided to the automobile wheels. So if you recall, in the last video we have discussed the wheels, different types of wheels, that is rimmed wheel and the alloy wheels. So tire is a component which is attached on the rim of the wheel and which provides a cushioning effect, in simple words. So what is the function of the tires? To provide support to the load. Load means the vehicle load and the goods or the passengers sitting in the vehicle. To provide the cushioning effect to absorb the shock. Next, transmit driving and braking forces to the road. To provide cornering power for smooth steering purpose. Provide frictional contact with the road surface which allows the driving wheels to move the vehicle. So this is a good friction, what we can say, with the road surface, allowing the driving wheels to ride the vehicle. Act as a primary suspension and cushioning for the vehicles from the effect of road surface. So actually the tires are the first parts of the vehicle which absorb the shock. Now let us go through this diagram, construction of a tire. So you can see this is the cut section. This is the cut section of the tire. So you can see how many components are there. So the outermost part which is in contact with the road is the tread. Okay. So below that there is a base rubber added. So on the base rubber the tread pattern is molded. Again there are two belts. This is the second belt and this is the first belt from the inner side. Okay, so these are generally steel belts. Now again, in between that you have the plies. Okay, so you can see this is the second ply and this is the first ply. Two plies, again two belts, the base and the tread on that. Okay, in between that you have the liner. Okay, so at the rim part you have the bed. Okay, the bed you have. At the outermost section you have the rim cushion, which again you have the winner and the side wall of the tire. So these are the details or the cut section components of a automobile tires. So properties of tire, what are the properties of the tire? Non-skidding, uniform wear, load carrying capacity, speed capacity, cushioning, power consumption, noise and balance. So these are the main characteristics or properties of a tire. So let us go through the tire terminology in details. So what are the plies? Plies are the layers of strong fabric which are built up to give the tire its strength and shape. So those are the plies. What is the bed? The loops of steel which are at the anchor point of the ply, so which fits on the rim. It does not allow the rim, it holds the tire and the rim actually. Cross ply tires. So what is the cross ply? The main ply of the tire run at an angle of 45 degrees from one bed to the other. So it is again that is a layer which is going 45 degrees. Again, what is the radial ply? The main ply of the tire which runs 90 degrees from one bed to the other. What is the tread? Rubber pattern provides grip to the road surface and assists in clearing water away. So it is the outermost part of the tire which is in contact with the road. Side wall. What are the side walls? Connect the bits to the tread of the tire. So side wall, the function is what? It holds the bed and the tread of the tire. Bits. Now two rings made up of steel wires encased in rubber that holds the tire side walls snugly against the rim and prevent tire from coming off. So very important part, the bed, it actually holds the side wall of the tire with the rim, and these are basically made up of steel wires. The most important component, what we can say, it does not allow the tire to come out from the rim. Body plies. Rubberized fabric and cords wrapped around the bed form a carcass of body around the tire. So body ply is nothing but a shield, a rubberized shield made up of cord and other substances. Tread. Now what is the tread? Outer surface of the tire that comes in contact with the road. Now what are the side walls? Side walls are the outer parts of the tire that extends from the bed to the tread. Marking of the side walls provides the information. So the marking on the side walls gives the clear-cut information of the tire. So we will see this in the coming video. What are the specifications? What is the liner? A thin layer of rubber that is bonded on the inner side of the plies that provides the leak-proof membrane to the tubeless tire. So basically you can also call it as a tube of the tubeless tire. So it is a thin layer of tube which bounds the membrane, and it provides a leak-proof membrane. What are the belts? Steel belts. So these are used to strengthen the body plies and stiffen the tread, and it lies between the tread and the plies. So again, in this diagram you can see the details of the tire. See, this is the pattern of the tire, this is the tread, the tire shoulder, the side wall, this is the inner part, this is the bed wire, you can see this is the bed wire. Again, pattern grooves, tread base rubber, tread protective layer at the bottom, and tread belt. It is again a covering, and you can, so this is again a cross section of the tire. Thank you friends, thank you very much.